garlic, egg, and cheese bagel. They dropped the ball, so I picked it up. Start with you some sliced onions. Yeah. Little sauce that I made with some mayo, some mustard, a little honey, little salt, pepper, onion, garlic powder, all that, you know what I mean? Slice your bagels in half. Go ahead and caramelize your onions. Put those inside of the pan. Let them sit. Be about 5-6 minutes. I put a little extra seasoning on mine. That was just me. You don't have to. You could just do salt and pepper or not. You dig? This is what it looks like once those were done. You dig? We're moving fast right now. Stick with me. Stick with me. Once you put those steaks in there, let them sear on both sides. Put a little garlic, a little butter. Put you some thyme. I didn't have time for it. But hey, put you some if you want it. Those are my eggs right there. Just salt and pepper. Put them in there. I didn't move them too much. Flip them over like an omelet. Put a little cheese. Cover them up. Took them off the heat. Come over here. You put your sauce on both sides of the joint like I did. You dig what I'm saying? Put your sauce on there. Then you come in with those caramelized onions. Put those on both sides of the bagel too. Sorry, my mouth is watering just looking at this right here. But yeah, man. I think personally myself, we did a real good job. This is a remix. This is not what theirs tastes like. This is something totally better. Everything we doing right here is just, you know what I mean, we adding to the profile, man. But thank y'all for everybody that's been liking, commenting, subscribing to the page. We definitely appreciate it. You know what I mean? And as we always say, throw that in your bowl. Yeah, Giles, good cooking. Mo appétit. I never look back, this ain't no rap, this really cold facts. Motherfuckers, they envy me, you better keep the same energy. When you see me, it's gon' hurt. I put in that work, showed you niggas I'm the man, but you ain't sticking to the plan.